So usually the midday report, I honestly have to say it's usually pretty humdrum. But today we got the Fed, the jobs report, or the JOLT index. What's going on with rents? They all of a sudden just skyrocketed, and I'm going to show you the details. I'm not saying all of a sudden, they've been here for the last 6 or 8 months, but I'm showing you some details here that are kind of shocking. And then with all this going on, and especially the Fed coming out tomorrow telling us what they're going to do, what's going on with the rates. So let's get to it. Right now, let's go through this. And the headlines here is Fed is expecting to raise rates by 0.5 point. Investors wonder if they're going to be more aggressive. And I will tell you, no, they're not going to be more aggressive. They're going to stay the course because the markets are already skittish as everything. So they're not going to do anything to basically make the markets start questioning things again. So that's that part of it. The JOLT index just came out. This is job openings and transitions. Look at the headlines here. On the last business day of March, the number of job openings was little changed at 11.5 million, the highest level in history. So if you're out there and you need a job, guys, there are more jobs than there's ever been in this country. So good luck there. What's going on with rents? Well, here's a caption. I follow a ton of newsletters, and Zillow just came out and they posted that rents year over year from February to February are up 16.8%. Look at the chart. So the question I have for those out there is, why all of a sudden even rents we have down here, the norm is right through here. So usually there's probably about a 3 or 4% increase every year, and that's where they are. All of a sudden, is there a reason why just in 2021 alone, they've spiked up to almost 20%? Okay, what is this? Okay, why? So we say housing prices are going skyrocketing, but so the alternative, most people would think, is to rent. Well, where is this going to take you? So if rents continue to go on this pace, up 15, 18% a year, yeah, you'll never be able to afford rent again. So this is the question to ask yourself when you say, well, housing's terrible, or big corporations are buying up all the housing market. Well, big corporations are buying 20% of the market up. That is excessively high, but there's still a lot of individual investors buying investment properties because why? They can get the return on investments. They can raise your rates and your costs on that because what's the alternative? Okay, so I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but this is the rents, what rents are doing on a yearly basis. So with all this looped together, what's going on with mortgage rates for today? So let's scan over to what's going on with the MBS market because this gives us the details on what direction rates are going. We see a plus 16, so that should probably reduce rates by about 0.05 to 0.10. Maybe not that much, but at least 0.05. Rates have not posted yet since I started recording this. Let's see if it did trickle down. It's down 0.01. So it'll probably get a little bit eased. But again, guys, remember, this is a national average. So Mortgage News Daily reports or sends surveys all over the country. They compile it all together, and this is what comes out. So many times this number might be a little skewed because many banks might not have posted yet or revised their rates. So we should see this probably by the end of the day being down about 5 or 8 right here. So what I mean by that is right in this cell here, rates are now at 5.54, down 1 basis points. So that means earlier today they were 5.55. So basically across the board, there's really not much of a change anywhere. The biggest thing bucking the trend right now are the ARMs. I will be on Sir Ashley's YouTube live event tonight. We're going to talk about ARMs and USDA programs, and I'll be there to answer any and all questions that you have in regards to real estate. Especially we focus in on the financing piece of things. So that's my report for today. Again, I will be on YouTube live tonight. Sir Ashley, just look him up on YouTube. That'll be starting 6 my time, Central Standard Time, 7 East Coast. So join us then, and don't forget my YouTube live. It'll be this Thursday. I'm going to go in and create that thumbnail right now and let you guys know what we'll be talking about this Thursday. So thanks for watching. God bless. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. I'll see you tonight on Sir Ashley. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.